What's going on, guys? I know a lot of people are having 30007 issues with their RBA Reply accounts. So I wanted to make this video to show you guys how I've helped some people, well, I guess not have the issue, right? So this is one of my clients' system. He's got 90 in this particular campaign anyway. He's got 91.77% delivery rate with 8.23 failure, and most of those are, well, it looks like all of those are just landline numbers. That's why they failed. So he would have a 100% delivery rate if those weren't in there. This one looks like it's mostly the same. 3006s, 30003s, and landlines, which are all basically the same thing. And he's at 85% on this one. This one, if I'm not mistaken, okay, it's Philly market. So this one has, this campaign has had 1,900 records go out in it. These first two, if I'm not mistaken, is just a few hundred each. This one has had 1,900 records go out, 80% success rate, 19.75% delivery rate. There are some 30007s in here, but not very many. And he hasn't really had any in the other campaigns that he's running since I told him how to make sure that, that's pretty much fixed. But there are some, there's some exceptions to that rule, right? Even the rule that fixes it, sometimes it doesn't work with a certain cell phone company. So if you're doing cold marketing to someone and they have this particular cell phone company, then you still might get flagged and get that error. That's unavoidable on our end, and it's nothing that we can do about it. But it will definitely keep your numbers super low to where your account isn't getting banned, right? And this last one, forgive me, that's my dogs. This last one, he's had over, I think, 12,000 records go through this campaign, this workflow. And he's got some 3008s, which I'm not too familiar with, but some 3007s, for the most part, 3003s, which are landlines. And he doesn't even use the opt-in language or opt-out language, I should say, with his messaging, and he's getting 88% delivery rate. So if you're getting that 300007, that was one too many zeros. If you're getting that 30007 code and you don't know why you're getting it, I could probably help you out. So just reach out to me. If not, good luck, and I wish you the best.